Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change brightness, contrast and sharpness on your COOCAA CNTF2NZ TV. To do that, you're gonna have to press the menu button on your remote control, which is located in the top left corner of your D-pad, and after that move to the second tab of the settings bar that you see on top of your TV by pressing the right arrow key once. This will get you to the picture menu. Here, use down arrow key to go to the picture mode section. So this setting will let you change the picture mode and basically enable manual changing for settings like brightness, contrast, color, tint and other type of settings. So go to picture mode, and if you want to use some of the presets, you can, for example, use the dynamic preset, which will increase slightly increase each value, mild, which will slightly decrease each standard value, or if you want to personally adjust each value, then click OK and then use down arrow key to navigate to the personal option. This will let you change each setting by yourself. So for example, contrast, brightness, color, sharpness, each can be adjusted. To select each of the settings, just press OK and then use left and right arrow key to navigate the contrast value, the brightness value, or the sharpness value. And to apply this new settings, we have to press OK button, and that's pretty much it. Also, in color, temperature and noise reduction, we'll be able to choose between 3 different settings. So for color temperature, those will be cold, normal or warm. And for noise reduction, we have low, medium or high, or we can also disable noise reduction at all. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.